If you were anything like me as a college student or medical student, a lot of your furniture you got for free. Now that I'm a resident and I have a little bit of income, I got some really affordable drawers off of Amazon. I'll link them down below. And I just want my apartment to look a little cohesive. Let's do that together because the before and after is gonna be market. So this is the situation we have right now. Next to my kitchen, I have these literal plastic bins. I have this $20 bookshelf from Target, this free little side table from someone. And again, one is black, one is white. That black thing next to my bed that I use as a nightstand actually used to be a shelf, but it's broken. And so I just shoved a giant printer into there that's about 20 years old. We haven't even started yet and I'm already sweating. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I screwed this part on backwards. Flipperoo. Okay. So this is the biggest piece, and even with me putting this middle piece on backwards, it only took like all of 30 minutes to put together. I'm going to quickly assemble the other couple smaller pieces than this, and they're gonna be assembled in 3, 2, 1. Wow! And these top drawers took like no time at all to put together. And now for phase 2, which is the actual reorganizing and replacing everything. Ah! All right, first things first, let's move this out of the way. Woohoo! Ah! This comes in a lot of different colors. I picked the linen shade because of this wood top. The other ones just had a metal top. This is my radiology mouse for when I'm working nights. Sunglasses, my badges. Now let's empty out this container and put it in here. Oh, okay. So this top drawer I'm gonna fill with all this packing supplies. I keep it around because I never know when I'm gonna need to send something or wrap something. This storage was also my PR storage. I'm a little bigger on Instagram and TikTok, so I have a lot more brands sending me things, and most of the things I actually give away to either friends, family. I will do moisturizers and sunscreens in one of these small drawers. Everything else in another one. I'll show you some of the PR I've gotten from like way over there. So I have the Naturium Niacinamide and the BHA 2% toner that I love both of those ingredients. Skin Fix and Kiehl's make some of my favorite moisturizers, and so I do get them restocked very graciously by the brands occasionally. From Mad Hippie, I use the Mad Hippie Vitamin C. It's already in my travel bag, but I also have their Daily Protective Serum, which is an SPF 30. These I purchased myself from iUnique. It's the Centella Daily Sunscreen and the Tea Tree Relief Serum. I've already gone through one of these tea tree serums. I know I'm so far away. Sorry guys. Peach Slices is one of my favorite, actually it might be my favorite affordable brand. So I got a lot of stuff from their oil control line. Phase 2, part 2 is tackling whatever's going on over here. Let's see, in these bags I have random miscellaneous items that I didn't have places for anywhere else. And I also have a bunch of random PR that's also stuffed into this corner over there too. Skin Fix came out with a new acne line, which I can clearly test out for them. And I got my first PR from Fenty Skin. It's a cherry body scrub, as well as some sunscreen from Zitstica. All of this is gonna go in that other storage container I put by my door. These are all my perfumes. I have quite a lot of them. I made a perfume collection video a few months ago, but I can make an updated one this year probably. Careful, SpongeBob. This is actually an empty container, but I was figuring I could use it because it's a YSL. One of my friends got me some lipstick and mascara that's engraved for my birthday. Let's just move this out of the way. Here I have my travel perfumes and all my makeup. So I'm going to move this into the drawers of my new storage. I think the makeup I might move to my bedroom, but I do want to keep my perfumes out here. top actually. I'm going to put, this is my Six Flags bag, like an outdoor event. It holds sunglasses, holds sunscreen. So I'm gonna put this at the top, as well as all of my Bath & Body Works sprays. I use these as room sprays. And I also have this like lipstick storage container. I'm gonna figure out a way to use it. A couple shoe boxes here. This is actually empty. What am I doing? But this has Converse in them. I'm gonna store these somewhere else. I have a bunch of nail stuff that was sent to me from Dashing Diva, like gel nail strips. One day, when I'm not doing procedures and I need to wear sterile gloves, because if you're wearing a version of press-on nails when you're doing sterile procedures, it's not good. It's not good. This is a backup of Armani Ocean de Joya, which is one of my favorite perfumes. The rest of what's in here are actually books. So I have some other books under my TV stand. I'm gonna move this in the corner of my living room probably. Maybe I can put my makeup in here. Let me move some of this stuff down. It fits as long as I take it apart. So that's good. Okay guys, last part is gonna be this. Don't look at how dusty it is. That is my like 20-year-old printer that I don't even need, because the apartment complex I live in now has like an office room and you can print from there. I like use this once maybe every 2 or 3 months. So I'm just gonna let it go. And I'm also gonna let go of this black thing because, as I said at the beginning of the video, this is supposed to be a shelf, but it has lost all of its shelves. So now it's just like a cavity. Guys, come on. How perfect is that? And I'm already gonna start moving stuff into it. I have a couple sheets that I switch between my bed like a normal person, and not like a normal person. I just kind of leave these out in my bedroom because I don't have anywhere to put them. I'm also going to get some pillowcases and put them in there. Haha! I'm essentially going to put a lot of my bedroom linens in there and make a little more space in my closet. My closet is it's not like small, but it's a 1-bedroom closet, so maybe it is kind of small, and I'm always struggling to organize it well. It's not even like I have a lot of clothes because I mostly wear scrubs, but I still somehow struggle to organize my closet. So I think it's because I have like everything in there, my bed sheets, my towels, my winter coats. So I'm gonna start like distributing that around in different places. We finally did it! Woo! I've been meaning to do this ever since I moved in. Over a year ago, and when I moved in I did do an apartment tour, by the way, and so I'll go ahead and link that video up here if you want to watch it. Honestly, I feel like to some people they're gonna be like, Sally, this doesn't even look good. Dr. Choi. Seriously, like, just not to have random white and black and faded and broken storage is like a huge level up for me already, and I don't have that much extra income to be spending on real wood, like $300 drawers or anything like that. And so I'm perfectly happy with these super lightweight, super easy to assemble fabric storages. My mind just feels like it's been scrubbed out, like it's cleaner when I come home. I mean, even my walkway when I enter my apartment is so much more open now. And all I did was like replace the white bins that were over there with something skinnier. If you have been meaning to do like little things to level up your daily life like this, just do it. I'm slowly leveling up like these small aspects of my life, and it's overall just like calming my mind. So would recommend. I hope to see y'all in my next video, and be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed to me already. Find the beauty in every day, but most importantly, be kind to yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!